If you see like a whole pile of us coming back dead, make that known.
Yep.
One sec. Yeah, we're good. Ready? Here we go, guys.
You guys pick where you guys want to go, and then I'll go from there.
Here, come on, come here.
Coming from up top the hill. Up top the hill. You got one up. See the little white stakes?
I double hit him, but he didn't. Wait, if I'm a sniper, can I still use the grenade?
Yeah.
Okay, that. Is that one of those vigils ones?
What's that?
Is that one of the?
No, this is the HPA. Yeah, we got guys right here on top of the hill. Yep, straight up. He's out. Yep.
How many?
We got one guy over here that's ours. He's over here on the hill. We got more guys coming up on top of the hill.
If a whole load of them comes at us. No. You gotta shoot up there, let them come down, and then let me get off the bunch of them out with my grenade.
Alright.
I'm gonna keep my grenade at the top. You know, the retreat. Tell me, remember? Alright, help me. Remember to grab my grenade.
Set it on that little pop-out tree, that little pop-out.
There?
Yeah, that's fine. Coming down the hill to our right.
What do you mean here?
Yeah, just so it's easy to see. They're up there on the other side of the pine trees.
Yeah.
Up here to your right. Up on top of the hill. Yep.
Good thing about the sniper is it's silent.
Yeah.
If you just
What happened, bud?
Huh?
Would your line disconnect?
I was doing good, dude. I'm just stepping out of the way.
What happened?
His line disconnected.
HPA stuff, stupid shit. I know I'm on the wrong team. You check my air, dude.
Oh, you're way low.
Yeah,
You're at like 14, 1500.
Yeah, dude.
I mean, you're paid, so.
Cool. I might have to go do that real quick.
If I peek, will you snipe?
What's up?
If I peek right now, if you're going, would you snipe him?
Probably. I could probably shoot just as far as you can with the sniper. But I don't see anybody right now. The guy out there walking's our team.
There's no vigil. Down there. You see him? You want to get spots?
I'm good for right now.
It's dead. Get the wings off.
Our team's pushing up to the right now. They're up on top of the hill.
Let's go.
We can move up a little bit. Victor, I think most of them's down over the left. I don't know if that's us right there. No, right here in this little cubby hole. Right here? See him through the... I think that's our teammate.
No, we shot it.
He's out. Pushing Helly. Helly. I got the guy right here to your left. There's one down. There's one guy down over here.
Pushing up top. Left of the one Viper thing.
There's another one to your left.
Another one.
Yeah, he's down the way you're pointing right now.
I am pushing over here.
You got him?
Wait, did I get it? Yeah, I got him. He liked him inside. Oh, right. This way where I'm pointing. See him?
Yep.
I'd like to see you peek again, boy. We got three guys aiming right at you. Come with me, 'cause I have a long range.
Oh yeah, peek, buddy. Here, I'm gonna draw him out.
Okay.
You get shot. Come on, go. God damn. Mobile ass quarterback.
Danger close, right there to your right.
Ralph, stay down. Stay down, Ralph.
The next barrier in front of you, he's right there.
Stay down, Ralph. He's on the right side.
Oh, sorry, ref! Sorry! I think I shot the ref in the butt.